All right, hey everybody. This is a quick video on payroll cycles. It'll basically just talk about how salaried employees are given a certain pay amount for the year, and then depending on how that company divides up their payroll, they may divide it up either monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, and all that means is how often are you getting paid. So obviously a monthly paid employee would get 12 pay checks per year, which means that they're going to be much bigger than someone who's paid weekly, who gets 52 checks per year if they're paid the same amount of money. So an example of this might be if we have $75,000, which is an employee's salary. If they're paid monthly, you take that $75,000 divided by 12. Okay, 12 paychecks or 12 months. And what that'll give you is $6,250. Now that $6,250 is their gross pay per paycheck. Now gross pay is before taxes. So this is what the paycheck will say they're getting paid, but then they'll take out roughly 30% or so for taxes, and so you would get less than that. And then if you have to do the others, you just go through and do that. So a semi-monthly would be $75,000 divided by 24, which will give you $3,125. Okay, and again, it's about half of that because you're getting paid, well, it is half of that because you're getting paid 24 paychecks instead of 12. Now on the bi-weekly and weekly, bi-weekly is very similar to semi-monthly, except it's 2 more paychecks. So there's 52 weeks in a year, so half of that would be 26 if you're paid every other week, which is what bi-weekly is. Semi-monthly is twice per month, so usually the beginning and middle of the month. A bi-weekly paycheck for $75,000 divided by 26 is going to give you, it's going to come out to this number, $2,884.615385. Now what will happen with that is they'll obviously have to round to $2,884.62, because again we're rounding to the hundreds place because that's the nearest cent. The 5 makes it go up. There you go. Okay, and then weekly would be the exact same thing, 75,000 divided by 52. Forgot my dollar signs. And when you do that, you get $1,442.31 rounded off. Again, you may have to round these to get your paycheck amount, your gross pay. And the only thing that would change in this is what your salaried employee is earning. So if they're earning $100,000 a year, you just do 100,000 divided by those. Now there are other pay cycles that you could do, but these are the 4 most common ones and the only 4 that we're going to use in this class. So let me know if you have any questions.